And we're live. Hi guys, I'm Joss'n. I'm from Frio County. Sorry. Welcome back to the Dinner Tonight Cook-Along. I'm Joss'n. I'm the County Extension Agent out of Frio County. I'm also part of the fabulous Dinner Tonight content team. And today we're gonna make dinner, literally tonight. So today's recipe is the bean and avocado wrap. Yes, just by the title alone you can tell it's a vegetarian dish. And as a fellow Texan, the first time I read this recipe I was like, wait, where's the meat? But I'm gonna promise you, you don't need the meat in this one because it's so filling, it has a lot of fiber, and it just fills you up. It's very satisfying, and I will go over all of that. So let's go over the ingredients for tonight's cook-along. So our first ingredient is our beans, our canned beans, and it's pinot beans. So if you are a true fan of the Facebook page, you know the ingredient of the week is pinto beans, and we got them out of canned goods. And for can safety, stay tuned for tomorrow's post. We're going to go over all the can safety. But I will say, when you cut open your can, please be careful around the edges. I mean, it's very sharp, so be very, very careful. And for today's post, we talked about how to reduce sodium out of canned goods, because canned food items are just as nutritious, but they do have some sodium because they have to be preserved. So to reduce sodium in canned goods, you're going to rinse them out for about 15 seconds and let them drain out for about a minute, just to reduce the intake. But today's is pinot beans. The next ingredient we have is avocados, and we have so many avocado content. We talk about how to pick the right one, how to open it, all that good stuff on our Dinner Tonight website, so make sure to check it out. Today I have it prepped in our little dish. And sorry, my dog is being a little much. Next we have red cabbage. That's going to be in our wrap as well, and our red onions. We also have fat-free cheddar cheese, and if you're not a fan of cheddar cheese, you can pick whatever cheese that you want. You're also going to have shredded carrots. So you can either buy it already shredded, or you can get a medium carrot and shred it out yourself. You're also going to need cilantro, and then we're going to make a special sauce today. It's basically a vinaigrette, but to me that's like the best part of this whole recipe. It makes it so delicious. So you're going to need cider vinegar, olive oil, and chipotle, chili, and adobo sauce. It's in a can, but again, I prepped it in a little dish. And then you need your tortilla. Today we're using corn tortilla, but you can use wheat tortilla, any kind of tortilla that you like. We have a cool video that was created by our food and nutrition department about flour versus corn tortilla, which is healthier. You can definitely go check it out. But those are our ingredients. Let's get started. So before any time you cook, always clean your area, right? Wash your hands. And you're gonna need a medium bowl. You need your beans, of course, rinse them out, drain them out, so no liquid. Then you need your avocado. Those are the first two ingredients you're gonna need for this recipe. So I'm gonna use a little spatula, scoop it out. So sometimes when we think about cooking, we get a little frustrated, right? Because it's been a long day at work, we just don't even know what to eat. Sometimes we want to cook, but I promise you, cooking can be therapeutic if you like, especially this recipe. So you're gonna get your little masher and pound away all the stress away, right? Just smash all the frustration. So cooking can be fun, I promise. So when you're smashing your avocado and beans, make sure to get a ripe one. So I didn't have too many good choices, so my avocado is a little tough today. I might have to get a little knife to cut it. But smash it really good, get it in there, mix it as much as you can. Pinot beans, fun fact, is a very popular bean. It's like a US staple. It's very popular throughout the whole nation. It's mostly used in Latin cuisine as well as Southwestern cuisine. And like I said earlier, the pinot beans are going to be our protein for today's dish. But I've also done this recipe with black beans and navy beans, so you can definitely switch it out if you like. Get creative, have as much fun as you want with this recipe. Okay, there we go. Our avocado's softening up. Yep. And you can definitely put on some fun music when you're cooking, right? Making cooking fun and very, very therapeutic. I'm gonna smush it in a little bit more because there's 2 avocado sections. And I'm just not going with me. All right, that's pretty good. So we got it pretty smashed and mixed together. I'm gonna put that with my dirty dishes over here. Next you're gonna get is your red onion. Throw it in there. And your cheese. And that's what you're gonna mix in next. So we have our smashed beans and our avocado, and now we're mixing in our onion and cheese. Oh, I might have to get my masher again. So my avocado's not mashing well. And that's okay, if that happens, just keep going. Like I said, it's a long day, right? You just smash away your feelings in this. We all have days. Okay, mixing that, and I'm gonna bring back my masher because my avocado didn't mash well the first time. It's just getting the areas that it didn't get fully smashed. Get in there. Ooh. Definitely hold it to a bowl. Don't do what I just did. Okay, that looks a little bit better. So that's the first part. We got our base. This is the first part, the glue of our wrap. Ta-da! Put that away. Next we get to the fun part. You're gonna need another bowl to make it. And I'm gonna clean my area. Things got scattered away. And that's okay, that happens in cooking. You just clean up your area. Make sure to wash your hands afterwards. And it's our vinaigrette. So you're gonna need your red cabbage. But first, the vinaigrette part. So I love making vinaigrettes. The basic of any vinaigrette is any kind of vinegar. Today we're using cider. Olive oil. You're gonna need a spice. Today we have salt. And then if you want to get fancy, you can add a sauce. Today we have the chipotle chili and adobo sauce to get it fancy. And anytime you make a vinaigrette, you can mix it up. There's a lot of different recipes out there, and today's one is really good. I really love this one. And this is not too spicy. I know it sounds spicy, but it's not. So we're gonna throw in our cider, then our olive oil. Make sure it all drains out. Stack that over here. And our adobo sauce. Get a spatula on that one. Scoop it out. Then we have our salt. And it's only a little bit. And we're done with that. Now we're gonna whisk it. So anytime you make a vinaigrette, you can either whisk it, you can shake it in a jar, make sure it has a lid, or you can blend it, depending how much the content. But you just whisk it away really, really fast. And you're done. Really fast. Move that out of the way. Now is the fun part. So if you do use your hands, just make sure you wash your hands before. But you massage your cabbage into your sauce. And today I'm going to use my little futon. So you have it in there. Actually, let's do that. Vice versa. And we just mix it up. Make sure you get all your cabbage covered in the fabulous sauce. And again, this sauce is super good. To me, this is the best part of the recipe. It just gives it enough punch out of it. It's really, really delicious. And I'm so sorry, ignore my dog in the background noise. Okay, that is mixed. So if you already went to the store and you have gotten a medium-sized carrot and you hadn't like a fresh regular carrot, then you would shred it and have your carrot. I went and got my carrot, bought it already shredded, so it's prepped for the day. And then you have your oh my gosh, what's the next ingredient? Cilantro. I was going to say parsley, cilantro. So you get your avocado, your little corn tortilla. You get your bean avocado, little concoction, put it on your tortilla, spread it out. Ideally you want it kind of on one side because you're going to roll it up. Then get your cabbage. There's some in there. Made a mess. Then you get your carrots. And then just a pinch of your cilantro. And then you roll it up. It's okay if some of the ingredients fall out. You can either eat it like a regular taco or roll it up. And you continue with the process. And this is the fabulous little wrap. Now, sometimes they may not stick together, so what I do to make sure it sticks is put a toothpick. And you can get one of those cute ones and you can cut it down. Just be careful when you're eating. Remember, you put a toothpick. But that's it. That's all it is to do this recipe. It's a really fast recipe. It's very nutritious. It's very filling. It has a lot of fiber. It has antioxidants, a lot of nutrients for you. It's really easy to put together. And yeah. For more information about anything that you'd like to know, make sure to visit our website. And oh, don't forget to save your tin can, because on Friday we have a fun post about some ideas that you can do with the tin can. But that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching their live cook-along of the bean and avocado wrap. You would continue the process with the other 3 tortillas, and yeah, you're done with our bean and avocado wrap. Thanks for watching. Bye.